Dance! Dance! Dance!
Taken to your new home.
Ah.
Well, it's not wanted. The hilltop might suit your rabbit better. He seems to be taken to the place.
As am I, Mr. Hughes. Now, the road.
Oh, yes, of course.
Dance! Come on, dance!
How would you feel about calling me William instead of
Dance!
Colonel Mr. Halis?
Just dance!
Of course, William. And I believe Beatrix might be perfectly appropriate as well.
Dance! Okay.